Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel all about BI. In this session, I'm going to tell you how do we split a file into multiple files based on a date column. Okay, I have a file which is a very simple file for demo purpose. In this file, I have 5 columns. Okay, one among them is date column. I have to split the records into multiple files based on the month present in the date column. In the sense, if I have 11/11/2022, I have to split all the records which has this 11 in them. In the sense, we are going to group the records based on the month present in the date column. Okay, so all the 11 will go to one file, all the 8s will go to another file, all the 9s will go to another file, and all the 10th month records will go to one file. So we will have four files after we run the data flow. Okay, this is the requirement. Split the records based on the month. This is the requirement. Okay, so coming back to the data flow here, I have a simple data flow where I am connecting to my CSV file that I showed you now. I have 5 columns here. One among them is date column. All the columns are of type string because we are reading from CSV. I haven't performed any typecasting till now. In the derived column, I am adding one more column called key column, based on which we are going to split the records. Okay, so this key column is nothing but I am just trying to capture the month present in the each row. Okay, so if you see here the month is 11, here the month is 10, here the month is 10 again, here the month is 9, and here the month is 8. Okay, how we are doing this is using a simple expression that I can show you now. Left of date comma 2. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the date column which is of type string and taking the leftmost 2 characters. Okay, that is what I'm doing here. This will give me the month for each record. And then finally the main thing that we have to look at here is the optimize tab. Okay, so under the optimize tab I'm using the keys. Okay, and we have to supply a column name here. We cannot do computations here, but we can just pass on a simple column name. So because of that I am not doing any computation here, and before the sync I am performing the computation, in the sense performing calculating the month. Alright, so since I have already calculated the month in the derived column, I am mentioning that key column as the key column here. And then coming back to one more setting called file name, settings. We have to choose a file name, otherwise default file name will be given to the files. If that is okay, that's fine. Otherwise you can choose to name your file like this. I am choosing pattern here, so my file name would be split data 1.csv, split data 2.csv, like that it will be generating. Okay, so let me run my pipeline. Pipeline is almost done, I think. Yeah, it's done. So let's go back to the output folder. So inside demo container output folder, I have 4 new folders. Okay, here if you see, the key is 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we had records for August, September, October and November, right? So it has split based on that key value. So if I'll just check this, if it just contains the records for October, yes it is. I am going back to another folder 9. Yeah, it is just having 9th month record. So this is how we split the data into multiple files, or split one file into multiple files based on a particular column in our source file. If you have any questions about this, or if you need more clarifications, let me know in the comment section. Would answer to those as early as possible. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep supporting.